here, come back here, a bit difficult. And then more variation is just like a deception. Yeah? Just like this here, and then here, here, here. Yeah. So if position of good still, we can reach, we can take control or something. Yeah. Some like this here, here, some here. Yeah.
Any question?
Yeah. Maybe Coach Gopi can explain more detail or something here.
Yeah, I think a couple of things. On the question also, I think what kind of footwork should we teach kids is one of the questions. And typically, do we do a step footwork, or do we do a chase footwork, or do we do a hop step footwork? These are the questions which on the chat we had from I think Praveen or somebody. Well, the idea is that for each of them, for kids also, whether Kumar had asked with kids should start doing the step footwork. My opinion, I think, especially in the beginning when they're not able to hit the shuttle properly, I think we can spend a lot of time on each of these things. Step footwork is important. The start footwork is very important. So kids can also do the start footwork. It doesn't matter. And then every footwork they do a one which is step, a chase, a hop footwork, everything. In a match, whatever is required at that point of time will come through by itself. So I think it's a very important aspect that don't stick them on to a particular footwork, teach them different kinds of movements. So as in when it's required in a match, we can get whatever is required. Intuitively, it will come. You don't have the time, or they don't have the time to think which footwork. But if they know all of them, they will use the right one intuitively. That's one. The second aspect is Agus coach spoke about Sunjun's footwork and the double step on the left leg. On your, if you're right-hander, a double step on your left leg. That is an important one, because where people are a little short, or if the steps are not enough, because if you're doing a step footwork, sometimes you might end up with the non-racket hand, a non-racket leg in front, which could be a problem. In such kind of a scenarios, to use the non-dominant leg or the left leg for a right-hander on a double step is something which is very useful to cover ground. So that is something which is very, very important. So I think as far as footwork is concerned, for all of us, it is important that we teach a variety of footworks to the kids, start doing the step footwork quickly. And the other point which Agus coach has made is that if you're a higher level athlete, if you're a higher level player, then you decide to go to the center depending on where you hit the shuttle, where the opponent is playing the next shuttle. Sometimes you can anticipate and stay 2 steps back. Sometimes you can step 1 step in front. So there is no clear movement that you have to come back to the center. If you are there for a need to come back to the center, it's only for junior players. It is when you're doing and teaching footwork. But as the level goes higher, then it becomes almost not important to get to the center, because your speed will get you to every place in the court. So your anticipation is what will be the most important thing. Depending on that and your opponent where he is playing, you decide the center, and it cannot be the center of the court. It can be center of where you think the center or closest shuttle where the opponent might play is where you can decide to make the center. So these are 2-3 points. I hand it over to Agus coach.
Thank you, Baya. Okay.
Now we come back again. Nah, most likely here it's good when you have a program for your player. Yeah, maybe 1 week get 2 or 3 times, but better every day after program finish. Nah, you do it like this here. Just a little is okay. Just make habit. So make player automatically have movement first start here. Always in take care or something. Yeah. And then now we're talking about footwork for when you receive a deception something. Yeah. Deception is mean you can catch the shuttle the opponent. Yeah. So difficult. So that's why in here need to second move. But first you start first. Yeah, just like a something. Start here. After this, you first start here. If you have a good training, the first jump, first move to jump is a big. This is good. Big and more powerful something. Just like a bamboo. Something that this is good. But if you only slow like this here, this is your footwork is not complete. Something. Here I tell like this here. This is more difficult because just only with the talk in the Zoom something. When we meet and training or something here, like this year, you must have a program. So if you with player have a quality of control or something here, it's no problem with our player. Because you have a first start and then you have a footwork from start to start. Here is it. So you can move to every direction easily. It's depend player understand and then depend our program to make understand our player. So make when the tournament be used automatically, it's not thinking, just like automatically or something here. Yeah, mind and focus just only for think about strategy and how we can catch shuttle of your opponent something here. But our movement would work here something here is how when coach make automatically came out something. Yeah, so that's why training like here is open, and then here, they're all connected, all can use. So if our player is asked what kind for what for training, we can explain. Why our need full jump? Here's something here. If our player play in the backside here, so many get a good position or something here. Well, he's a dangerous player. But if our player just do it 1 time, 2 time, it's not dangerous player. So just only transition. And then when sometimes like this here, it's no good. So that's why in the backside here, every time like this here, wow, yes, become a dangerous player. Now, this depend our training and our program. Make player understand something like this. Because footwork, just not only footwork, not first about speed. Number 2, speed about first start. Number 2 about our reflex. Number 3 about how power, strong power in the leg or something here. Make just like a jump something here, and then how to come back here something here. Now here all connected. I forgot something about a footwork in the front about the what is called it? Toes.
Heel and toe.
What is called it?
Heel.
Yeah, and toes. Finger in the foot.
Toes.
In the front, you must be taking not like this, not like this. No, yeah, must be like this. So here first. Yeah. some player doing not correctly for the beginning. This is not player fault. This is our player as a coach. So that's why in the front here something here, nothing will be first. Okay, and then after you say something here, now here. Number two, house training here. What is called? Sorry. Here. Now here also same. When we have a ready something here, not just only step like this. Here also
It's more strong.
More strong here. Feel your toes something here. Now here have a, if we have a program, we have a training a player here, it's more easy. Just like a animal, the deer. Yeah, something here. Nah, in here, so that's why badminton is about first, it's about speed first start. Number two, it's about our reflex. Number three, about the power here and then come back here, something here. Number four, waist here, yeah, and then hip, and then here. What is called? Like here. All body here get moving when training to defend something and then prepare for footwork something here. I think it's today is enough for me. Any question or something, or maybe Coach Kobi can explain more detail or something. Yeah.
Thank you, August Coach. Thank you, August Coach. I think for all of us who have left questions on the board, message board, I think what August Coach is mentioning is that for us, badminton is about balance, and many of you have asked about balance. Now, the most stronger you are, people have asked about balance and center of gravity. So the more stronger you are, the more bent you are from your knees, the more balanced you will be. So what August Coach mentioned in the second part or the end is that the strength of your core, the abdominal core muscles, the hips, the legs will decide how strong you are in the center, and that's very, very important. So we may not get this in the beginning, but over time we will develop it. So power, strength will decide how fast you are, and that's very, very important. So footwork should enable us to start quickly, to get to the shuttle in a position which is balanced, so we are able to see the opponent wherever he is and play a shot of good quality and get back to the next possible shuttle in position. So if you lift the shuttle from the net, there is no need to hurry back. But if you push the shuttle from the front, then there is a need to hurry back. If you are hitting a defensive clear from the back of the court, then you can come back relaxed. But if you are playing a faster shot from the back of the court or the front of the court, you need to get back quickly. So in each of these positions, we need to come back in different footworks. Now, there's no easy answer for this, but as I have said in the beginning, that we need to teach kids all of these things. And then intuitively, the right kind of footwork will come when they start getting better with more practice and age. I think these are a couple of things. There was a request to have exercises for speed. I think we will add that. I will see if I can ask the coaches to add that into the program at a later date. And also there was a request for doubles footwork. I will, when Namri coach takes his class, we will do the doubles footwork as well. And these are two questions which I think were coming up correctly. Whatever people have been asking about diet, asking about strength, speed, all of these things, in due course, when we have the relevant subject, the coaches will address those things for all of you. I think I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much, August coach, and see you all tomorrow for tomorrow's session.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Gopichand, sir. And thank you, sir. August, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Gopichand, sir, once again. And dear participant, all Sai coaches, please give your attendance in chat box. All Sai coaches, mandatory to give all your attendance with your name, designation, and center. Please put it in the chat box. You can find chat box. You open it and write your name, designation, and center. Those who are given attendance, you can leave. Section will continue more 5 minutes, but those who are given the attendance, you can leave, but still I'm getting attendance. All Sai coaches mandatory to mark your attendance in chat box with your name, your designation, and center. Daily 5 to 6, evening 5 to 6, science session also going on, sports science session also going on. You can watch that session also. I will circulate that ID. I also circulated that ID before this also. One more time I will circulate. You can listen sports science session evening 5 to 6. Yeah, in between they are writing, some coaches are writing hi, good evening. Sir, please don't mention all those things. Just write your name, designation, and center, so that we can find attendance at one place. Please, those who are given the attendance in chat box, please, they can leave. Sir, I will forward ID, sir. Don't worry, I will forward that ID in WhatsApp group, sir. Sports science session ID I will forward in WhatsApp groups. Sir, please write your name, designation, and center. I wait 3 more minutes. Please give your attendance with your name, designation, and center. Mandatory for all Sai coaches. Those who are given attendance, you can leave, please. Yes, sir, I created one more group, one more WhatsApp group. You can join. Please, sir, don't write hi, bye, good evening, compliments. Please, at the end of the session, please give your attendance only so that we can find the attendance at one place. Otherwise, it get confusion for us. Please, all Sai coaches, give your attendance with your name, designation, and center. Tomorrow also session will be there with same ID and same timing. Anyhow, I will circulate that link in group also. Daily sports science session is also going on. Evening 5 to 6. You can join that session also. I will circulate that ID in WhatsApp group. You can find that ID and you can join the session. Yeah, most of them asking add me, add me. Yes, sir, I will add. Yesterday I created one more WhatsApp group. I will share the link. You can join through that link, sir. I will wait for 2 more minutes. Please, all Sai coaches mandatory to give your attendance in chat box. Mention your name, your designation, and your center. Sir, please, I am requesting you all, don't write compliments. Please don't write compliments. No hi, no bye, sir, please. I am requesting you all. We will get confusion while finding attendance, sir. Please don't write all those things. Just give your attendance. Mandatory for all Sai coaches. Mention your name, designation, and center where you work. Sir, most of them sending phone numbers. Please don't do that, sir. I will circulate the joining link. You can join, so no worry. I will circulate. I created yesterday one more link. You can join aram se. All Sai coaches, please आप Zoom chat box में अपना नेम, अपना डिजिग्नेशन एंड अपना सेंटर कहाँ पे आप वर्क करते वो मेंशन करके अटेंडेंस भेज दो सर. I wait for 1 more minute. आप अपना अटेंडेंस दे दिया तो यू मे लीव, आप जा सकते, आप सेशन एंड करके जा सकते. Those who are given the attendance, you can leave please. I will wait 1 more minute. For those who are not yet given the attendance, I will wait. But if you are given the attendance, you can leave. All Sai coaches, find chat box and write your name, designation and center where you work. सर अभी भी कोई लोग लिख रहा सर, प्लीज ऐड हाय बाय. सर प्लीज don't mention all those things. Just write your attendance, your name, your designation, your center where you work, so that we can find attendance at one place. We are getting difficulty while finding the attendance. So please, all Sai coaches, it is mandatory to give attendance with your name, designation and center where you work. अपना अटेंडेंस दे दिया तो प्लीज आप जा सकते सर. शाम में 5 to 6 sports session is going on, sports science session is going on. Please, you can join, you can listen that class also. I will circulate that ID in WhatsApp group. Before this also I circulated that ID, so you can join with that ID also. Thank you. So with this I'm ending the session. Thank you all. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.